Hello, beautiful viewer. Thank you so much for watching me. This is Petronella. I'm here for the makeup girlies. If you're a girl and you love makeup, you need to stick around and watch this unboxing, okay? So this is a take a lot order, as you can see. By the size of this box, I think I'm gonna love what's in here. And you know, as a makeup girly, you constantly need to buy new products, try new things, because you never know what's gonna be perfect on your skin. Okay, so stick around. I'm gonna share the code just in case you love it and you wanna buy it for yourself. So let's unbox. Wow, guys, look at how cute this is. I love it already. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. I mean, like, look at this. It says girl, 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 girl. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, this is so cute, guys. It's so cute. Okay. Let me get a scissor. Let me get a scissor. I'm coming. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, look. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you how cute this is. It's so cute. It's so cute. Wow, guys, I love. Woo! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow, guys, this is. It's more than what I expected. It's more than what I expected. Okay, it's more than what I expected. Wow. Are you sure you're not gonna order this for yourself? Because this excites me. I can already see myself, doing the makeup thing. This is actually amazing. Wow. I mean, look at this. Look. Wow. This was a good choice. This was a good choice. I'm impressed. Take a lot is the girl she thinks she is. Wow, guys. I'm so satisfied. I'm so satisfied. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. See you on another video. And please be kind. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next time. Bye bye.